Right people, it's Darkcloud247. Somebody asked me the other day how you find the port address for Mach 3 so you can connect your CNC. In my case it's going to be the parallel port, but I'm pretty certain it's the same process for finding the port, even if it's a USB or whatever. But yeah, on Windows 7. So you go to your Windows button, go to Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, go to Device Manager, find your port. Like I said, in my case it's the parallel port. Double click it, re-click on the parallel port, do a right click and go to Properties, and then from Properties you go to Resources, and this number here, the E880, it might be something different for yours, but for me this port number is E880. So you take that number, you go into Mach 3, into File, no sorry, not into File, into Configure, go to Ports and Pins, and then go to Port 1, and then put in E880. The 0 and the X should already be there. If it isn't, put it in anyway. And it doesn't matter if it's a capital or not, because it will be changed as well. Well, it will automatically change it to a lowercase letter. And then once that's in there, press apply, OK, and then that's it. That's your port address, and hopefully it should be connected, assuming everything else is done right.